Hola, salsa aficionados! Let's continue with our casino dancing course. In this lesson, we will learn how to do Paséala. So, Professor Armando, what do we need to know to do our figure Paséala?
Of course, Mari. To do the figure Paséala, first we need to review our pati pa mi. And we will also see how to do the connection with our partner with the social close position. Let's begin doing the figure so you know how it's done, and then we'll explain it. Let's begin with a marque. Marque y. Close, open. Pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3. Paséala. 1, 2, open. Push her. 1, 2, open. Change place. Very good. Marque. Let's change place. 1, 2, 3. Pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3. Paséala. I will open in 3 and push her. Open again and return her. Very good. That was the figure Paséala. Now let's begin reviewing what we do with our feet. First with the basic step, and then we'll do individually what the guide and the interpreter will do as we do it with our partner. Okay? Let's begin turning around. So your feet are the same as ours. We'll begin with the left in 1, going forward like this. 1, our second time on the place. 2, let's close on 3, pause on 4, and 5 on the same place on 6, closing on 7. One more time, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, close. 1, 2, close. 5, 2, close, and stop. It's very important to remember that you avoid opening more than 1 foot away, so you maintain a good balance and that doesn't affect your style while you dance casino. Now let's do it with the music. 1, 2, 3. Forward. Pati, pa mi. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left. Your right. Forward, close. Back, close. For you. For me. Pati, pa mi. Stop. Very good. Now that we have the pati pa mi, first let's try to do some turns on the place counterclockwise so we can start feeling what's the sensation for these movements. One more time. 1, 2, 3, pati pa mi, and 1, 2, 3. Let's turn counterclockwise very slowly. Pa pa pa. Forward, backwards, forward, backwards. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Pati, pa mi. For you, for me. Very good. And stop. Now, let's do the movements that will go for the guide and for the interpreter. First, let's start with the guide, like this. Every third time, we will do a quarter of a turn, so we can be doing this in 4 cycles like this. Let's do it first with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and turn. Very important to do the quarter of a circle or quarter of a turn. Now, continue your pati pa mi. Now you're right, going backwards and making the turn on the third time. That means the 7th. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Very important. And now we are on the contrary, on the other side. Let's return. That's why we do 2 8s. 1, 2, 3 forward. 1, 2 turn, and 5, 6 turn. This way we will return to the place of origin. So let's begin doing it slowly but continuously. Again, 1, 2 open, 5, 2 open, 1, 2 open, 1, 3, bam. Very good. Now let's do it with the music. First a pati pa mi, and then let's open. 1, 2, 3, pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3, paséala. 1, 2, open, 5, close, 1, open, 5, close, pati, pa mi. Again, paséala. 1, 2, open. 5, 2, close. 1, 2, open. 5, 2, close. Pa di. One more time. And 1, 2, open. 5, 2, close. 1, 2, open. 5, 2, stop. Very good. This was the footwork needed for the guide when we do the paséala. Now let's do the interpreter footwork needed for the paséala. She will now do a half a turn while she walks. That's very important. She will walk and do a half a turn counterclockwise on her 5, 6, 7. Remember that the interpreter will do in one her pati pa mi with her right, like this, just pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and stop. Now on the 5, 6, 7, you're gonna walk with your left, going forward and doing a counterclockwise turn, like this. 1, 2, 3. This is when the guide pushes her and makes that turn. One more time, pati pa mi, going backwards with the right. 1, 2, 3, and turn, walk around and 1, 2, again, paséala. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, let's return. 5, 6, 7, pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, paséala. 1, 2, 3, walk. 5, 6, 7, one more time, let's return and stop. Now with the music. 1, 2, 3, backwards, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, paséala. And 5, 6, 7, return, and 5, 6, 7, pati, pa mi. Again, paséala. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, walk and turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, last time, paséala. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, walk and turn, and stop. Very important to remember your footwork either for the guide or the interpreter, so we feel more confident while we do this figure. Let's begin with the communication with our partner. Just to remember, your left does an L with your fingers, where she puts her fingers in between your thumb and the other fingers. Now close without too much force. Elbows together, not farther than 45 degrees. It's very important to maintain that position. And your right acts as a support for her left, putting your right hand on the center of her back. It's very important in this step that that your hand is on the center, because you're gonna push her. This way, as you push from the center, she will know she will have to walk forward. And if we were to push from the shoulder blade or this hemisphere, she would turn. That's a different sensation. And now, let's return to the marque. 1, 2, 3, marque. Pa. Pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3, paséala. First, let's watch how it's done. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, open, and stop. Remember to do your footwork. 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 2, open. Remember that in 1, 2, she just goes back with her right while I open. The important thing here is to relax your left arm. You don't have to have any force or any connection or pulling of her in this moment, because if not, you will make her modify her position, okay? Your right is very important that stays there, like this, because if you do, the movement will be like this. If you do this, then she will make this, and we don't want her to move right now. 1, 2, 3 is the preparation. 1, 2, 3. I opened, and she now has the path opened for the paséala. Now in 5, 6, 7, I'm gonna push her while I do my right backwards, and she walks with her turn counterclockwise. Just the 5, 6, 7, her left and my right. 5, 6, and I close. Remember to close on your 3, and she will conclude her turn on sorry, not 3, but 7. 1, 2, 3 again to return. 1, 2, open and push. 5, 6, 7. And after 2 8s, we are on the same place we started. One more time, pati pa mi, slowly. 1, 2, 3, paséala. And 1, 2, open, push, return. 1, 2, open, push, and 1, 2, 3. As easy as that. Now let's try this movement with the music. Remember to do 2 8s. It's very important to do that so you can return to the same place, but this doesn't mean you can just do 1 8. You can do it as you improvise whenever you want, but if you dance in a rueda de casino, then it's very important to return to the original place. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, marca. 1, 2, 3, paséala, pati pa mi, sorry. And now, paséala. 1, 2, open, push. Let's return and push. Very important to prepare on 1, 2, 3 and execute the figure on 5, 6, 7. Paséala. 1, 2, open, push. Let's return and push her again. Very good. Let's change place. I'm gonna do a marque. 1, 2, 3, pati pa mi. 1, 2, 3, paséala. 1, 2, open, push. 1, 2, open. Very good. One more time. Paséala. 1, 2, open, push her, and 1, 2, open, and ready. That was our figure, Paséala. Remember, you can repeat the videos as many times as you need. We recommend you to review your basic step, pati pa mi, and the communication with our couple in a close position. So, see you in the next video.
Bye!